Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day 19 of our 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Challenge. So today we're going to focus on a posture called Pursvottanasana, also known as East Facing Plank. And as always, there are going to be options for you to do this posture. So we'll begin as always with the opening chants. So you can come to standing or comfortable seated. It'll take a few moments to feel grounded as you take a breath. And take a breath in. Om. Vande Gurunam Charnarabinde Samdash Satsva Sapara Bote Neshte Se Jankai Kai Mani Samsara Hara Hara Muha Shantye Abahu Purushikaram Shankachakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvarasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim. Om. So coming to Samastitihi, standing or seated, or prepare for Surya Namaskar A. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale, lift the chest. Chattvare, exhale, Chaturanga. Hansha, inhale, back bend of choice. Sha, exhale, downward dog or child. 1, even out the breath. 2, you're seated, remember your seated options, just dangling the head. 3, 4, and 5. Look forward. Sukta, inhale, step, jog or jump. Ashtanga, exhale, fold. Nava, inhale, rise up. And exhale, Samastitihi. And again. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Remember you can bend your knees. Trini, inhale, keep the hands down. Chattvare, exhale, Chaturanga. Hansha, inhale, back bend of choice. Sha, exhale. 1, establish your dristi, heels, knees or navel. 2, relax the back of the neck. 3, really focus on steadying the breath. Doing really well. 4, and 5. Look forward. Sukta, inhale, step, jog or jump. Ashtanga, exhale, fold. Nava, inhale, rise up. And exhale, Samastitihi. So Surya Namaskar B, I'm going to take this down. Feel free to stand. Just a reminder, really, those of you doing this from all fours. Inhale, sit back, Utkatasana. Exhale to fold, the head dangle. Inhale to lift, the heart space. Exhale, legs back and lowering, Chaturanga. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale to dog. Right leg. Inhale, right leg, palms touch. Round the back heel if you're standing. Exhale, all the way down. Do a mini dip or full dip. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale to dog. Left leg. Inhale, left leg, palms touch. If you're doing this version, make sure the knee is over the ankle. Square the hips. Exhale, all the way down. Elbows in. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. 1, steady the breath. 2, good, doing really well. 3, if you're standing, you can also come down to this if you wish. 4, and 5. Look forward. Inhale, come through, step, jog or jump. Exhale to fold, let the head go. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay, east facing plank. We'll take a vinyasa to get there. Inhale to lift from standing, kneeling, or seated. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, step, jog, or jump through to seated. And we'll look at some options for Pursvottanasana. So feet about shoulder distance, hip distance apart, depending on your dimensions. You can bring the forearms down if you've got any wrist issues and slide the feet in. Inhale, lift the chest. And exhale, you can see if you can lift the sit bones a little or just stay on the heels. Another option, fingers face forward, plant the hands back. Roll the shoulders forward and then lift the chest. Inhale, exhale. So this may also be Pursvottanasana for you. 1. So those are some options. Another option is to slide the hands in. 2. And then inhale, see if you can lift by pressing through the heels and have the knees over the ankles. 3, so it might not be a full tabletop, just a lift. You might be able to lift to a full tabletop, let go of the head if that's suitable for your body or not. Adjust your feet as you feel necessary. So you might need to take them further forward. If all of this is really comfortable for you, you can do a straight leg version. So you point the toes, inhale, exhale, and lift. You try and bring the toes down. Lifting, and we'll call that 5. Exhale, bring it down. Well done. Ease out the wrists as you need to. We'll take a vinyasa, either seated or step or jump back. Plank position, exhale. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through, step, jump, or jump as we come to the final 3. Okay, should be feeling energized after that. So Padmasana. Arms behind the back. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, fold in. 1, relax the neck. Find the breath. 2, remember your seated options. 3, also known as Yoga Mudra. 4, Mudra means seal, so sealing energy in. 5, remember your Pinocchio Dristi. 6, find those waves of breath. 7, see where you can surrender. 8, keep a hold of the bandhas. 9, 10. Squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale, lift up. Exhale to Padmasana, straight lines of energy, straight fingers. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, chin to chest. 1. Remember your back stays straight. You don't lean forward. Good. 2. And it's just a little drop of the chin. Back of the neck relaxes. Good. 3. 4. 5. Even inhales and exhales. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Utplutihi. Remember your options here. You can come to full lotus, be my guest. Inhale, exhale, lifting. 1. So you might try to lift. You might lift the knees. 2. Round the back, draw the belly in. 3. Strong breathing. 4. Lower abdominals, draw in. Good. Keep looking forward. 5. 6. If you come down, try and go back up. Good. 7. Keep working. 8. This hurts your wrist. You know to stay grounded. 9. 9. exhale. Well done. That was a cheeky move, wasn't it? Apologize. Shake out the wrists. Make your way through your vinyasa. I'm going to do seated. Now you can go all the way through. Step or jump back. Lower the body, chaturanga. Inhale to lift. Back bend the choice. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through, straighten out the legs, and exhale, laying down for the most important posture of them all, Shavasana. Open the palms, floppy ankles, take a big inhale, exhale, big inhale, exhale, big inhale, exhale. Allowing the body and mind to absorb the prana like a sponge, resting here for a short time. Like to stay longer, just press the pause button, otherwise deepen the breath. Begin to move head and shoulders, wiggle the fingers. And then take an inhale, full body stretch. Exhale, letting go. Bend the elbows, bend at the knees, draw the knees in for a squeeze and a rock. And then roll over to one side, pause there for a moment. Cultivate gratitude, might be this practice, might be the feeling, with somebody in your life. And then making your way through, comfortable seated. Take a few moments to sit tall, lengthen the spine, lift the heart space. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. Gently bow the head in a gesture of Ishvara Pranidhana, surrendering to higher forces. Surrendering to all it is as we give thanks for our health and our practice. And then inhale, lift the prayer hands up. Exhale, Namaste. So well done everybody for getting through day 19. Remember, we do the practice every day. It becomes like brushing your teeth eventually. It's a good internal clean inside and out. But every day looks different. So remember to be flexible in how you practice. If you enjoyed the practice, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Find all my yoga inspiration on Instagram.